commercial store-bought deodorants as being linked to cancer. Commercial store-bought deodorants that contains parabens, phthalates, aluminum, and triclosan as being linked to cancer by science, and especially breast cancer within women. Why? Because we have 20 to 40 lymph nodes underneath our armpits. The lymph node job is to get rid of toxins within your body. When you use commercial store-bought deodorants that contains aluminum, what this does is it blocks your sweat glands. So, the toxins can't come with your body. The toxins just remain there, build up, leads to tumors. Tumors leads to cancer. And this is being proven by science. So, in conclusion, you want to stay away from these harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, triclosan, and especially aluminum within a deodorant. So, you want to use a natural deodorant. A deodorant that uses all the best elements out of nature to remove odors, to keep you dry while remaining healthy, which is the most important thing. You want to remain healthy, and this is a heaven sent, new age all natural deodorant. Try it today.